All right. All right. Cool. Volume is working. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. So this is the trade that we all should be in if you guys enter the short position. Bitcoin's given us a lot of entries into this position. You could have entered your stop above the swing high. You know, even had a broken base right here. Confirm bearish order flow. You gotta kept adding to your position here. So a lot of buyers and sellers are just fighting at this level right here. If this gets closed by a candle, a daily candle, we're guaranteed bearish. And we'll definitely see at least a like 25k Bitcoin. So if this gets closed, you know, anything in this is fair game. But every time it comes up into this range, I'll probably be adding to my shorts. As far as the lower time frame, we're just trying to fight to get the acceptance back into the value area for the week. And you know, we're starting to close some candles inside. But if we do get rejected here, then you know, if you see price action that looks like this, then we're looking pretty good for some dumping. But if we start accumulating within the value area, we can expect this. We're gonna expect some accumulation within the value area. We'll get a lot of the longs, a lot of the shorts, and then we'll go up. You can also see there's a lot of selling on this wick right here. This is because if we close above this wick, that means we're probably gonna retest this high. If this high gets retested and we get a candle close, then we're also going up here. Kind of what I showed you guys on the other chart. Oops. Yeah, so we'll probably wick out a lot of sell side liquidity, but if we're able to kind of come up here and hold the top of the value area, then we're looking to push up. So these are some pretty critical levels for us on Bitcoin. So it's kind of worth watching the lower time frame, even if you're more of a swing trader. this chart. I'll stay on the Binance chart. Oh, thanks, Bonti. Yeah, honestly, once you get a candle close above this, even on the 1 hour, we're probably looking to target this. So if you want to scalp for the day, you know, this is definitely something you can look for. You just gotta be kind of careful with your stop loss here, because once you get accumulation within the value area, you're gonna get wicks. Maybe below that might be good. I don't think it will clear this high. We'll see where the moving averages are at. Yeah, we got rejected off the 50. And we're retesting the 10-week, 50 EMA. Oh, you're probably on the daily here. You're talking about the daily, right? On the EMA? Yeah. Oh, wait. 4 hour. Yeah. US markets are looking pretty green today, so, but looks like they're seeing a little bit of retracement. The Dow's coming down. NASDAQ and the S&P are seeing a little bit of retracement here. Yeah, I'd honestly watch the 1 hour chart here. Because if we don't close above this candle, then we're not reclaiming value area, you know, anyways. So I say this is a pretty critical level, especially if you're just trading for the day. If we do close above this, and then, you know, I look for like a long scalp here, even a long position. Yeah, I'm definitely not long or bullish on this market at all. If we can clear a lot of this, that'll be pretty bullish for a push up, but otherwise not really. Seems like it got rejected on the 1 hour. We're talking about the 50 EMA. Hey Antonio, what's up? The 50 EMA on the 1 hour? Lower time frame here. Yeah, do you like trading off the 50 EMA, Bonte? Yeah, honestly, I don't think we are gonna reclaim this. I think we are still fairly bearish, but yeah, just next couple hours gonna be pretty critical here. Because you can expect price to move all the way through value area if we reclaim it. And if we do, we're probably reclaiming this. You know, unless we get rejection off the VWAP. But I think if we reclaim value area, we're actually looking to probably hold this and push up. There's a lot of weak highs right here too. You got a short running? Is that on ETH? $19.23. Oh, so for around here. Let's see. Yeah, I have a ETH scalp running right here. I think I'm entered on this. I think I put my stop above the deviation. I'm hoping to write this down. My chart load. Hoping to write this down somewhere around here. But ETH is kind of the same deal. If we reclaim this, then we're likely going to reclaim value area. You see it push up. So yeah, if you guys are trading the markets today, I definitely just watch the 1 hour chart right now. I think it's the most critical. Let me get back to the Binance chart. Yeah, I think we're on a retreat here. We cleared the fair value gap. Pretty much filled the fair value gap here. Rejection from value area, hopefully. We're gonna have to see how this 4 hour candle closes. But 1 hour candle is looking good too. Dang, man, you gotta sleep more. Gotta take your meds, your meditation, exercise, diet, and sleep. It's key. It's key, brother. If you look at this in terms of supply and demand too, if you ever change a character, let me go on the 4 hour. So we got to change the character on the 4 hour. So we're just retesting a lot of this overhead supply. I think the supply is going to be a lot stronger than the demand here, especially with the indexes kind of seeing a little bit of retracement. Actually, let me check that again. So let me actually move this window up. Let me show you guys this. So I think the S&P is coming up for a gap fill. Dow is coming up for a gap fill. I'm assuming NASDAQ is as well. Has NASDAQ not been on a tear here? Let's see. Oh, NASDAQ's kind of ripping right now. Yeah, NASDAQ just kind of ripped all the way to the previous year value area. So this is also a pretty likely area for rejection. Can maybe see like a double top here. You've got untapped demand here on NASDAQ too. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing a little bit of reversal here soon for a lot of these indexes. Maybe like one little push up. NASDAQ might make a higher high here, but I don't think these other indexes are. Were there some earnings today? There might have been some good earnings. Oh, let me go back to the Binance chart. Yeah, this level is key. This level is critical here. We just got to hold this. So let me get at the other chart so you guys can just have like a visual representation of it. Hey, is the font too small on this? Can you guys read this? So are you guys pretty bullish or bearish on the market? I'm still fairly bearish here. Even if we reclaim this area and we see a little bit of sweep, still think we're going down. Unless this is our up thrust, but I kind of doubt it. Let's see. Let me open up the liquidation heat map here. I'm gonna have to add a source for the stream. Give me a second and I'll pull up the liquidation heat map. You're bearish, Bonti. So if you look at the last 3 months on liquidation heat map, we did wipe out this pocket of liquidity, but I don't see us coming up here. Yeah, this pocket of liquidity at around like slightly above 30K. I mean, of course it's possible. There's a ton of relatively equal highs. So, you know, I wouldn't put it past it that we can sweep this out. And I think we'll eventually end up sweeping this out before we see our actual downside move here. I just don't think it's on this push up. So we have some liquidity at around 30K, slightly above. We wiped out the liquidity around like 26.5K, 26.5, 27K. Let's zoom out to 3 month. Yeah, if you just zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, if you guys watch my videos, I just talk about how these are just, they're just price magnets. So when we looked at the 1 month, you can see that this spot at around 30K was like pretty bright yellow. But if we just zoom out a little bit, these zones become way more bright yellow in comparison to the one at 30K. There's just a lot more long liquidity. I think we're gonna wipe this out first. You know, we're already inching towards it, and you know, a lot of bulls know that if we do hit a lot of these levels, then you know we are going to be bearish for the short term. So anyone with long positions right now are definitely fighting to keep prices above this, but it's just going to build up more liquidity. I think we're going to swipe it. Yeah, I'm still pretty bearish for now too. I've been adding to my shorts on this move down. So I have a pretty heavy short position right now. Let me go back to the charts. So we got about 27 minutes until this next candle close. You can see that there's a, yeah, we're struggling right now. People are just, let's check the volume actually. Yeah, this isn't looking good for bulls here. You can see the volume is declining. You want to see volume increasing. But it's really just going to depend on how this candle closes, so. If we close under and get like a doji candle like this, we're probably looking pretty good. This fair value gap is filled. This is filled. There's really no reason to really move up unless we reclaim a value area. Oops. Yeah, if we reclaim this, we'll just start to get a flush of demand. And we can probably see some up move here, but you know, I think we're gonna be fairly bearish. I don't really use oscillators, but just kind of checking them out. But yeah, we'll just see how this candle closes, and I'll be looking to open up a scalp long position here if we can reclaim the value area. You know, I want to see at least like 4 or 5 candles here. I'll place a bid for the bottom of the range. You can probably see this. As Bonte pointed out, if we do get rejection off the 50 EMA, I think the 50 EMA was here, right? Something like that. You're looking on the 4 hour, I think. Yeah, the 4 hour 50 EMA. You can see some sort of rejection here, but usually when price acts or price reclaims value area, it just ends up moving straight through it. Give you guys another example. Comes down, get like one white wick to fight off the value area, reclaim it, boom, it moves straight down. But I think this moves straight through the previous month value area, which was this. Holy, this chart's getting messy. Let me turn some of these off. So you got your previous week value area here, and you can see that we're just kind of retesting the previous week value area, and then you come down, and then once you reach the current week value area, you just move straight through it. You can see we got a pretty volatile wick here. We try to reclaim it, but we're working through previous weeks here. You can see we try to hold it, but new week starts, we move through it. We reclaim it, move straight up. We're auctioning above it, but we can't auction for, actually was this, I think this was CPI. So, super scammy, to be honest. Probably said it a million times, but I'm still bearish for my swings. But maybe for the day, maybe for a scalp, you can look for something long here. 20 minutes on this candle close. Dude, Bonte, you had a pretty good trade, right? I think you posted something in Discord. It was like a 20x return, right? Was that a long position or a short position? That was an ETH long 100x. Nice. Making 20x returns with 2 hours of sleep. Let's go. Oh, was it a short? I thought you had a 20x position or a 100x position, but you like 20x your return, right? But yeah, for anyone who's watching here is not part of the Discord, our win rate's been pretty good. The Discord is free, so you guys should check it out. We just talk about charts and stuff like this pretty much every day. Oh, is that for Chainlink? Nice. Let's take a look at Link. I'm in a long position on Link here. I entered this long here. Target this. I'm probably gonna look for a short position here. But I'm probably gonna keep my long open. Maybe just take some profits here. And I'll reinvest the profits somewhere along this. Because I think Chainlink's up. You caught the 6.2? Like all the way down here? Yeah. Dude, yeah, this one was a honestly super easy trade. Are you still in that trade, Bonte? You caught it like here, right? I closed this position out, but yeah, if you're still in this position, dude, it's pretty nice. Yeah, the Chainlink's been just fantastic to trade. Like, just price action is so clean in this range. No, we've definitely lost a trade or two on Chainlink. But either way, our win rate is like well above 80% on Chainlink. Wish I was 10 out of 10 on Chainlink. But looking pretty good here. May 11th. Yeah, somewhere around here, right? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, my limit didn't get filled here, unfortunately, but 4.8. Oh yeah, I think I remember you mentioning something about that in the Discord. Yeah, I mean, depending on how the US recession is, you know, those targets are still viable, but you know, you just gotta kind of play it by ear. Yeah, we definitely can see this price action again, especially with Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's kind of moving up. But yeah, especially if Bitcoin comes down and has this upthrust, because it's obviously, I think I had this on the other chart. Oops, let me open that back up. Yeah, this is pretty much picture perfect, you know, Wyckoff distribution. You know, you definitely want to see some sort of tap into a large area of demand before you see your upthrust, because, you know, you don't get demand just from anywhere, especially not with like large moves like this. You know, we have a lot of bids, like according to the heat map, we have a lot of bids down here, which just kind of lines up with our theory. So Bitcoin just kind of does a quick dump and then we pump up. We can see like that price action that we're looking at on Chainlink. This is Litecoin, not Chainlink. Okay. You know, we could definitely see something like that. Oops. How much time we got left on this candle? 15 minutes on this candle. So yeah, pretty much if this candle closes, I'm gonna open up a long position. Honestly, that's looking pretty good. We'll just move through value area here. Wait, why is there no timer on this candle? Oh, there was. 14 minutes and 40 seconds. For the hourly candle close. Let me turn on some music. Can you guys let me know if the music's too loud? What looks like bear flag? Was that on Link? Oh yeah, you can kind of see that. If we come back down here, you know, if we do something like that, we do have a lot of points of untapped demand up here too. So we could definitely see some volatile movement. I think Bitcoin's making some moves right now though. Let's keep an eye on it. Yeah, I didn't check Link, like on a weekly or on the daily. Whoops. Let me know if the music's too loud, guys. Yeah, Chainlink's fighting to reclaim this high. If you see a daily candle close above this, then I'm layering in my long. I'm gonna just add to this because we're probably gonna see a push up. 12 minutes on this candle. Let's go to a lower time frame here. Let's see. Oh, that's what I was looking for. So SPY, we got that gap fill. Dow, we almost got the gap fill here as well. In NASDAQ, we're almost double topping. We got about like 2 hours till candle closes on the daily. Definitely should, man. 2 hours of sleep. It's rough. Sounds good, man. Thanks for tuning in, Bonti. Good luck on your trades. Yeah, no problem, man. I just really enjoy doing this stuff, so. No, thank you, man. Have a good night. Eight minutes on this candle close. Got rejection off VWAP. A lot of people are selling off. We wiped out a lot of these weak highs. Yeah, honestly, unless this just all dumps. Looks like we can see a little bit of bullish action here. Change to the 30-minute chart. Oops. Are there any alts you guys are interested in? Nice. So we wiped out these weak highs. Let's see what this trend line looks like actually. Looks like this DTL is kind of holding up. Let's look at ETH here. ETH is a little bit easier. This high should be protected, even if we move through value area here. Honestly, look for something like this. Three minutes on this hourly candle close. Yeah, you definitely want to see these wicks. Those are good. Let's see, what do we close under? Close under this high at least. Just gonna mark these highs out. That base is irrelevant now. It's honestly a pretty deep retracement. Change the character. That's so close. That's still a candle break though. Wait, was I looking at the wrong thing? Oh no, I was looking at the 1 hour candle. Stupid. So 1 hour candle. Seeing a little bit of sell-off. So yeah, pretty much if we, whatever candle we close below or above, we want to see a retap. So it might be that high that we're looking at. So if we are bullish, you know, that might be a better stop or entry and stop. Got a bullish engulfing candle. What's this candle look like on the daily? Candle closing in 6 hours. Gotta watch the 1 hour. 1 hour closed. Alright, well, looks like we're a little bullish here. That's a pretty clear sign. You gotta wipe up a lot of the sell side liquidity. So you have your sweep, you got your change of character. You're gonna get a retap into demand before we see a push up here. You definitely see at least these highs cleared. So this is your daily high. If this gets cleared and held, then we're looking pretty bullish. Cool. Well, now we got some confirmation. You look for a trade here. Ideally, we want this entry. But I don't know if we can get this entry. I don't know if price is going to retrace like this. There's some bullish price action. Almost be like a reclaim of this. Might look something like that. Man, Just higher time frame just doesn't look bullish at all. See, you got your SPY kind of reversing. Dow Jones didn't quite gap fill here. Alrighty, well I'm gonna be looking for some sort of long entry like this. Definitely gonna take some profits here. Just gonna scalp it, and as I mentioned in my other chart, if we reclaim the top of the previous week value area high, or sorry, not previous week. Oh, this is wrong. This is just a weekly value area. But if we reclaim the weekly value area high, I'll be looking to add to my long position here. So we're definitely gonna shoot through this. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, let me know. I like to stream every day at around 10 a.m. I like to stream tomorrow as well. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.